The Abacus brand's Bill Nye's VR Science Kit offers 30 interactive science projects with detailed step-by-step instructions that come to life in augmented and virtual reality. This immersive kit includes an 80-page book filled with interactive lessons covering fundamental topics like oxidation, chemical reactions, magnetism, sound waves, and acidity. With the included goggles, children can join Bill Nye in a virtual reality lab to explore concepts such as motion, temperature, density, and air pressure through 360-degree VR experiences. Exciting adventures await as users can fly over a volcano, ride a hot air balloon, and dive through a crystal cave, making science both educational and thrilling. The kit comes with all necessary materials for physical projects and experiments, allowing children to start learning and experimenting straight out of the box. By downloading the free app, kids can watch Bill Nye come alive on the book's pages and teleport to his secret lab for an even deeper understanding of scientific principles.